So this is the ace of spades. And sometimes you just want to rip the card up and just, who cares what's going on? You got a ripped up card, you throw it in the case, and then sometimes with just a little bit of magic, you shut the box, click your fingers, open it up, and bam, your ace of spades is back to normal. I wish fixing robots was that easy. We have power to the CPU, and we have power to the motor head. But as you can see, nothing is happening. Welcome to No Lag STEM, where science meets a little bit of magic. This robot snapped in half when my cat got around it and pushed it off the desk. That is the culprit. As you can see, the acrylic cracked in half right here and right here, and a bunch of the wires came undone, and even the button to turn everything on also snapped off. So we're going to repair all of that. We already have wheels, we already have motors. The only parts that we're really going to pull out are the acrylic pieces, which are right here. And all we got to do is pull off this piece. Which can sometimes be a pain to start. First thing we're going to take off is the battery pack, which is just on Velcro. It's very strong Velcro. I'm going to take off the second battery pack now. Both battery packs are now removed. Next, we are going to remove the motor head. Alright, as you can see, the motors had wires coming up, and from the wires they go through the holes to the rest. So we will keep that in mind. So now we need to remove the wheels. Alright, now let's get these motors off. I put the motor on backwards. Let's fix that. Alright. Motors and the wheels are on. Now let's just remove the caster wheel. Alright, all the wheels are now back on. Now we need to remove the Raspberry Pi. Now that the Raspberry Pi is on, we can put the motor hat back on. Alright, now that the robot is put back together, let's see if we can get it to actually drive. Well, as you can see, we got the chassis back together, but the robot is not moving. So, see you next video. We will debug this.